Number 8 on the 2023 AIME 1. Problem. Rhombus ABCD has angle PAD is smaller than 90 degrees. There is a point P on the inner circle of the rhombus such that the distances from P to the lines CA, and BC are 9, 5, and 16 respectively. Find the perimeter of ABCD. Now, to find the perimeter of this rhombus, we have to find the length of one side, so AD, DC, CB, or BA. However, to do that, we have to split these sides into a few segments. Now, let's say that the line that's perpendicular to AD from P is W, AB is M, and CB extended to the B side is Y. And let's say that these points are K, R, and Z. Now, firstly, the diameter of the incircle is actually really easy to find. So, if you see here, the length of WY is 9 plus 16, so it's 25 since it's WP plus PY. However, if you see, AD and KR are perpendicular to each other, and so is WY and AD. Therefore, WY and KR are parallel, so KR equals WY equals 25. So, the radius of the incircle is 25 over 2, which means that KO equals OZ equals OR equals 25 over 2 equals OP. Now let's draw a line that's perpendicular to KO from P. Then, and let's say that this is, well, S. Then KS is 9, and SO is 7 over 2. Therefore, by the Pythagorean theorem, 25 squared minus 7 squared equals 24 squared, so PS is 24 over 2, which also is the length of KW, since SP and KW are parallel. So KW is 12, and so is RY. Now, let's say that the line drawn perpendicular to OZ from P meets with OZ at N. Then ON equals 25 over 2 minus 5, which is 15 over 2. Therefore, PN is equal to MZ is equal to 20 over 2, which is 10. Now let's just write this down. So KW equals SP equals PO squared minus SO squared square root. And also MZ equals PN equals square root of PO squared minus ON squared. This is equal to 12 and this is equal to 10. Now let's say that the length of WA is X. Since KA and KAZ is same in length because of POP, KA equals AZ equals 12 plus X. However, we know that MZ is equal to 10, so AM equals AZ minus MZ, which is 2 plus X. Now we can use the fact that AP squared equals WA squared plus WP squared equals PM squared plus MA squared due to the Pythagorean theorem. 9 squared plus X squared plus 25 plus equals 25 plus 2 plus X squared, which is X squared plus 4X plus 4. So X is 13. Now let's change all X into 13. So I'll bring another drawing because it's getting too messy. So here, X equals 13. So WA equals 13. AM equals 15. MZ is 10. Now we just have to find how long KD is. So let's say that KD is, let's say that K is the length of each side, ADDC, CB, and BA. And let's say that KD is K minus 25, since KA is 25 and DA is K. Therefore, RB is also equal to K minus 25, since if we draw a line DOB, these three are collinear in such a rhombus. Triangle DKO and BRO are congruent to each other. Also, in the same way, RC equals 25. Also, DC is K, since it's a side. Now we're almost done. So, let's just take out only DKRC. Just draw this quadrilateral only. $25 and $25. If you draw a line from D to CR, so that is perpendicular to CR, say that the point here is, well, E, then CE is equal to 25 minus ER, and ER is K minus 25. So CE is 25 minus K plus 25. So 50 minus K. Therefore, since DE is 25, 25 squared plus 50 minus K squared equals K squared. So 625 plus 25,000 to 2,500 minus 100K minus K plus K squared equals K squared. Now K squared goes away, and 3,125 equals 100K. Therefore, K equals 31.25. Now, the perimeter of ABCD is 4 times K, since there are 4 sides. So 31.25 times 4 equals 125. So the answer is 125.